Hello guys, welcome back to Hyderabad Infra. If you're new here, subscribe to Hyderabad Infra. Today we are in the financial district, checking out a very unique project. This tower is called MyScape U by the builder MyScape. This is Hyderabad's first branded residences project, coming up right opposite Prestige Highfields. As you can see, the construction is already in full swing and moving super fast. The tower will have 52 floors, almost 200 meters tall, with just 99 premium residences. The renders look extraordinary and design-wise, this could be one of the best towers in Hyderabad.